Hey guys, the plan for today is to go to the island of Nusa Penida to one snorkel and to go to one of the most excluded beaches in Bali, or like in Indo. Straight down what seems to be like 1,000 stairs to the bottom to fly my drone and maybe take a swim. It all depends on the current, of course. Indonesia is made up of many different islands. Bali is just one of them, and one of the others are called Nusa Penida, which is exactly where I'm going today. But first I had to drive for I think 1.5 hours straight from my hotel to a harbor further up north on Bali, where I have to catch a boat, which is the only way to get to the island. I don't think there's any more to say. Let's just get into it. Just arrived here in Nusa Penida. To get on a smaller boat. I think it's one of the boats over there. But the guide haven't told me like anything yet, so let's see how it goes. Right now we're just sitting here, but I mean, it's alright. I almost got like a panic attack because I forgot the door for my GoPro. But luckily I found this in my bag. I can still like get the pictures under the water, which would be quite tiring to not being able to get any pictures here. But let's see how it goes. Just got off fins. Fins starting now. We're on our way to the boat now.
First one we call Manta Bay, Crystal Bay, and the last point, Wall Point. Okay?
Here's it, Joseph. We're going to like 4 different places. We are approaching the snorkel spot now. Name nice, but like we're going to 4 different places. Maybe Manta Bay or like Gamma Bay or something. We'll see. We're at Gamma Bay. I'm not going here. My boat is over there.
We walk along that street, talking nervously. You close, it won't be long now. You made me write this song, yeah. We safe but don't know how. We far away from town. We talk until we can't no more. You know it like I found before. Track of the time now. The moment is right now. I've been here before. Feels like you're mine now. No need to pretend how. 'Cause we're locked in. It felt like summertime till you were gone. I fell in love.
After a pretty crazy go at the current, we arrived at the last snorkel spot. The idea was to drop alongside a cliff and then let the current take you from point A to point B, but you'll see for yourselves.
For summertime, it won't be long when you come back. I love you like I do. Love you like I do. But I'm sure that we could do it right, yeah. Been talking day and night, yeah. Love like we're moving slow. Us on the radio, feeling each other in the sand. Time to waste, so take my hand.
After the snorkeling, I got straight from the boat straight into a car, and he drove me straight to a cafe where I had to get some lunch before we went further into the island. And I was pretty tired after all the snorkeling, so that was perfect. I just got off the boat. I think now
There's like lunch included in the thing. I thought it was gonna be like a little rubbish place, but it's not. It's like this. With the most crazy view. I think it's Bali over there. I just hope the food is good though. it's gotta be. Let's see. The snorkeling was good, but we came to a point where the current was too strong. You can see here. And like people got sucked away like far away down. And we lost like what, 3 people, which of course got picked up by some other boat. They couldn't make it to our boat, but we got them on the boat again and then back to the shore. But it was quite the craziness, but I think everybody made it. I'm looking so much forward to more snorkeling on Lombok and Fiji. I think it's gonna be much better, but this year was also good, but see some bigger fish maybe. It could be nice. Now I'm just waiting for food. Now that a mango smoothie, because everybody loves mango. Food looks good. Where are we going now? Oh, okay, nice. Yeah. It's good. Do you understand what he's saying? No. Talking about staying out partying in the city when he has a girlfriend at home. He wasn't supposed to do that. Enjoy. See you. The guy just told me it would take like 20 minutes to get down here. To get down like all the way down there. And I was like, I can do it at 10, you know. He didn't seem to believe I could. It's so steep. But there's some places like this where you have to like jump. There's not like a road, there's just like these rocks you can climb. There's like the railings here, but like it's all what the Instagrammers are taking pictures of. Okay, let's speed run it. After like 20 minutes. The craziest thing is there's like no people because it's so hard to get down. But there's no one, like literally no one. That is crazy. I'm on my way over to the little shadow part over here, so I can put my drone up and love the sun. I'm fucking drenched. I don't believe I've ever been like this sweaty in my entire life. It's crazy. I walked all the way up there, then like on the ridge all the way down, like there's some stairs there, ended over there and then walked all the way over here. There's like a little shadowy space. This beach is like not on Bali, it's on Nusa Penida, which is famous for like primarily this beach and then some other hikes and some other beaches. But let's get the drone up in the air. Just spent a couple of minutes down here and I flew the drone, but I think it's time to go up because I need to be up there in like 30 minutes, so I don't want to miss the bus. Or I mean, like, I'm getting driven by my own driver, but still I'll be there. But I do think it's going to be much harder to get up than to get down. We'll see. to the easier part. I just drove my scooter for like an hour in Balinese traffic, and I was about to die like 4 times. Now I'm in here getting some snacks. I don't know what to get, but something good. And then I'm gonna go home and sleep. Oh, get some dinner first, of course. Let's go. They have beer party. It's like a Danish product. Going to my room with all the shit I bought. It's mostly just chips. Thank you so much for watching. This has been a great day, a very long day, very tired. I just rode my bike like an hour and a half from the harbor to my hotel. But I think that's all I have to say from this vlog, because I am on my way to bed. I'll see you next time.